is the current status of the beauty room. It still looks crazy, but you know, it's gotta get really bad before it gets really good. So that's what I keep telling myself. This is my new desk for my makeup. This is from IKEA. This is the Alex 9 drawers, and the top is, I think, called the Linman desktop or something like that. It cost me about $200, just in case anyone's wondering. But I think it's well worth it because this is my old storage system for my makeup, and it is just really not functional anymore. I need more space, and so yeah, it's just not the most functional, and there's a lot of stuff that I need to get rid of, so we're just gonna go through it, and I thought moving all of it to the new desk would be a good time to kind of declutter, so here goes nothing. Hopefully this does not take me 10 years.
"2,000 years later."
So by some miracle, I did get all of my makeup into this desk, and it is all organized. And dun, 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 these are all of the products that I am getting rid of. Yay! I'm glad to get rid of it. It's all expired and gross and just needs to go. I guess we'll just start up here. This little cup thing, this is actually a candle that I turned into just like a storage cup. These are all lip crayons, so I thought they looked kind of cute in there, so we're just gonna leave them where they are. But in the first drawer, we have my daily makeup. So this is stuff that I use pretty much on the reg. Right now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation as my go-to. Then we just have some random stuff like setting sprays, and we have highlighter and powder and bronzer and mascara. A lot of stuff, and my beauty blenders are back here also. And if you're wondering what this is actually body wash, but this is what I use to clean my beauty blenders, so that's why that's there. And hand sanitizer, because you don't want to put anything on your face that is not clean, including your hands. So yeah, and then we have some primer back here also. Okay, so drawer number 2, and there's a makeup wipe right there. I don't know why, ignore that. This is gonna be my single eyeshadow drawer. So we have all of my eyeshadow singles. We have some pigments, some glitters, some liquid glitters, liquid eyeshadows, and these are actually a couple just random brow products that there wasn't enough to make them a drawer of their own, so they're just in here with the eyeshadows. And then there are some eyeshadow bases, a couple mascaras, some eyelash glue, things like that. And then moving on to drawer number 3, we have my small eyeshadow palettes. I've got some of my Lorac quads, which I love these. These are so good. And they come with a mirror, which is cool. These were in a holiday collection, I think a year ago, but yeah. So these are just stacked right over here. We've got some NARS, some Palladio, some number 7, some Profusion, Milani, all kinds of little palettes back here. This one's from Sephora, Laura Geller, fun stuff like that. And then the next shelf down, we have my larger eyeshadow palettes, which it really irks me how these just like really do not fit in here at all. But I mean, what can you do? You know, just kind of have to throw them in here and have somewhere to put them, I guess. So there's that. And then in here, we have just some face products. So we have liquid foundations right here. We've got some powders, and then we have some concealers in the back. Switching to the other side, in this first drawer, we have some blush and bronzer. This one is so dirty that it's embarrassing, but This is a Laura Mercier bronzer. It has just been through a ringer, but it's not expired yet, so we're holding on to it. And then we've got some blush. We've got MAC, Ayani, ELF, Fergie's Wet n Wild line. We've got Laura Geller. We've got NARS, Milani. So all kinds of stuff. We have some Benefit, blah, blah, blah. So in the second drawer, we have kind of a miscellaneous array of things. So we've got some highlighters here and here. Then this is a really huge, cumbersome primer. We've got my Tarte Maracuja oil, which I use as a moisturizer. We've got some more primers, some liquid highlighters, and yeah, so it's a whole bunch of random stuff. And in the third drawer on this side, we have the beginning of my lip products. So right here we have my MAC lipsticks, and then I have a couple of the Too Faced Melted line that are just chilling right here. This little compartment is all true lipsticks. So these aren't like liquid lips or anything like this. This is just straight up lipsticks. And then over here we have some more like lip balms and lip tints, stuff like that. And then in the fourth drawer, we have some liquid lips and lip glosses. So they're kind of mixed. We have my Anastasia right here, a couple ColourPop. We have some Jeffree Star, Hard Candy, a couple random drugstore ones just thrown in here. And these guys are what I talked about in, I think, 2 videos ago, just these dollar liquid lipsticks that I love. And in the back, we just have some random miscellaneous lip liners. And then in this drawer, this is kind of my junk drawer. We've got some nail polishes and some eyelash curlers, sharpeners. This is like a lip plumper back there, and this is a nail dryer. And then we have some brush shampoo and just an Evian facial spray, which I like to use this to like wet my makeup brushes for eyeshadows and stuff like that. So yeah. Pretty much it, guys. So that is all of my makeup collection. I have definitely downsized, and I'm glad because it was getting a little overwhelming and I definitely needed some more space. So really happy that I bought this desk, and a huge shout out to my boyfriend Noah for building it for me. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!